Number 43 says the largest recorded earthquake centered in Idaho measured 7.2 on the Richter scale. The largest recorded earthquake centered in Montana was 3.16 times as powerful as the Idaho earthquake. What was the Richter scale reading for the Montana earthquake? So this is 3.16 times, should have been 3.14 as powerful. So it's going to help us to express this as 10 raised to something times as powerful. So 10 raised to what is equal to 3.16. So in order to do this, I'm going to take 10 raised to the x is equal to 3.16 and figure out what that power would be. So if I transform it, then this is going to be log, and you don't need to put the base 10, of 3.16 is equal to x. And then if you type in log of 3.16 on the calculator, then you should get x is equal to 0.50. So what this means is that it's 10 raised to the 0.50 times as powerful. So you can say the earthquake is 3.16 times as powerful, or you can say the earthquake is 10 raised to the 0.5 times as powerful. And the benefit to saying 10 to the 0.5 is, so finally, this allows us to work with the Richter scale. So just add that 0.5 to the original. So that's going to be 7.7 on the Richter. For part B, it says the largest recorded earthquake centered in Arizona measured 5.6 on the Richter scale. How did the power of the Idaho quake compare with that of the Arizona quake? So for this one, we want to take the Richter scale measurements of 7.2 and subtract 5.6, which is going to give us 1.6. So it's 1.6 higher on the Richter scale. So for the power, we want to take 10 raised to the 1.6. So that's going to be equal to 39.81 times as powerful. So this is kind of the backwards direction as part A. So 39.81 times as powerful will be our answer.